Hi there, I'm Gemma, and let me tell you about my moving experience with Piece of Cake. Last year, I moved everything my furniture, clothes, arts, collectibles, books, you name it, into their storage. Today, I finally moved into my new place, and Piece of Cake was incredible. They sent the same movers, who arrived 30 minutes early and got right to work. These guys were total pros. Not only did they handle everything with care, but they were also so considerate. They asked me where I wanted each piece placed and took the time to make sure everything was just right. They quickly assembled everything, always checking with me on where I wanted things. It was all done in just 3 hours. In my 10 years in New York, this was the most seamless move I've ever had. No lost compartments, no damaged items. Piece of Cake truly changed the game for me. They made what could have been a stressful day into a breeze. If you're looking for a moving company that goes above and beyond, look no further. Trust Piece of Cake for your next move. You won't be disappointed.